I'm just saying, yo, Auntie Tembi, like Mewa Moto, still doing all these lyrics. And when we perform, they want them as they are. They
Hey, why
don't
don't you
want...
Yeah.
No, I'm just saying, it's just like, is the way you tell me is the way it is. You gotta seize and ease the disease within.
Nkompotse, gantši e re ko go botse gore ge batswadi ge o re go bona gore ke nyako tsena ka gare ga industry e kudu ka nako e le ya morago ba dumetse jwang mama le ka gae gore oh okay
ga ba dumela Lethabo ga ba dumela. There was no easy yes, Tembi, you can go. There was a struggle because obviously I get a Libana, they were exposed to the 80s music. They were also exposed to Dinako Tsabo Chico, Dinako Tsabo Brenda Fassie, Dinako Tsahore. Oh, what is Hillbro? What is Hillbro about? It's about music, about the substances, it's about all of these things, whatever. I'm not gonna go there. So obviously, but obviously when the mother is exposed to or having to see the child go that direction, what about the buka? What about and then she gets exposed to all these things out there, you know? So it was a struggle. There was a time in you know what, the fight has to stop. I have to take her with me so that I want what I get up to. Because I'm always tired. Homework is behind. The braces, they are all over the place. Dr. Martin, like host, because after performance, you are flat, you are done. Performance, it takes so much of your energy. You get so exhausted. And you know what? I'm so tired of fighting with my mother. Let me take her. You know, after that performance, Arnana, askis, I will never fight you. I will never have an argument with you. Try to support her because I've never thought Nas, it was her first time seeing us perform and also the response of people towards us.
Rata Boomshaka ile gona le tsena e re go botse motlhala a go buima kudu gore ka gare ga mmino kudu kana go ile gore be re sena di Facebook di ngengengeng ga ne be le go bonela o ka re go kaonenyana ka gore TikTok wa be ya kwa ba e rata ya kitipa kana kwa lena nne go sena dilo tša go tshwana le tše ke eng o nagana gore ke eng se le se dirileng gore ge le no tsena le thome le go fisha.
I think the time was allowing. Remember when we gained our freedom, Ka 94. That was a big transformation. That was a big change for all of us, for youth especially. And Boomshaka was there to express that freedom through song and dance. And the one thing it's this building, SABC. All these shows they were huge. It will distract when you're watching TV. You have to go home straight because whatever 6 6 go your TV and all these channels they were supporting music a lot. And let's not forget radio. Let's not forget print. So if you don't have any social media, those that kind of social media and mind you, Facebook was big. Still is big right now. Letters. I still have letters from my fans when I was 15, 16, 17. Bangwala di letter, dear Tembi, I want to be like you. I want to. So that was the time. That's how we could get out there and and there was nothing else. It will distract. No, I'm not going to read this because kinali Instagram. I'm not going to watch this because I have TikTok. You have no choice but to go watch Generations. You know, remember? And the family. That was a time where family were so united because I even with my time Jiga Majiga, that culture in Nzeli 7 o'clock, 7:30, therefore banaka ofela ko starting ho empty because everyone is in the house and is watching Jiga Majiga. So we're so grateful. That's how we got to know.
O motho ile gore o bo rata mama ga go kudu le gane jwajo o na le ngwana lapa le ra goreng go wena kudu ebile re lebeletse taba ya kgodišo ya mama ebile mama wa gago gane bjalo wena o mama go motho o mongwe se se ra goreng go wena go lebeletse
yo Lethabo, family is everything. And I feel like wabona industry e ya rona e this is the one industry mo o needang support go fetisisa because you can be popular o tsebe ke lefatshe kaofela but when you go home it's such a lonely place. You know, you are surrounded ka ke lerata ke lerato ke eng ke batho ba when they see you they go crazy but when you go home you are alone and that's where the problem is. It's so nice to have an environment when you mess up you have someone that can say please stop, someone that's not scared of you to tell you the truth gore you are messing wa senya yanong o tswa ka tsela, you know. And now I was blessed to have that kind of structure. How gola o tshaba motswadi and o tshaba go disappoint motswadi and o tshaba to disappoint yourself as well. That's one thing that will shape you. And being a mom as well, it's a different role. It's a beautiful role. Oh, man. Being a mom, Lethabo, it's a blessing. Like, I can't explain. It's one thing I look forward to do every single day. For me, it's not a job. For me, it's like, you know what I mean? When you see your child growing and becoming this human being and being introduced to different words all the time, and you see like how this character, now it's a different character. It is such a blessing, you know. But I always say, like, there's no pressure of being a mom. You can do it at your own time. The importance is take care of yourself as Mosadi. But there is no pressure because when I had my child, I was 40. Yeah. And I had the easiest pregnancy. I know it's a personal, you know. Absolutely. Yeah. But I didn't really put myself under pressure. Hey, I have to have a child. I mean, no. For other people, yeah, you get people like, hey, why don't you have a child? Hey. But you know yourself. You know your timing. You know what you need to achieve because I have a child. There's so much responsibility and it's expensive to take care of a child. Remember, there's school, there's medication, there's other things outside all of those things. To support. If you have a partner that's available, that's there, it's even a blessing. But a child is not like a child's play, honestly. Yeah. It's a huge responsibility.
Iga? Alright, dumela Thembi ka mo.
Le kae?
Aga ona le ka bothata wa tswa ke rata taba ile tshwereng ya bofelo wa gago. Ke ratile wa tswa ke re gola re inspire ke rena re tlhotlholetswa ke lena. Jwale motho a ka iputšisha gore o bile ka gare ga mmino sa le moragwana kwa kana kwa bumshaka ka hetse ba boletse. Jwale e bontša ga botse gore na go fetogeng ga gago go tla ka televisioneng di o bile diphetogo dife tše ile goreng o swanetse o ka di amogela mashallah o fitla ka mo televisioneng go tsweng ka mo lethakoreng la tša mmino ke phetogo tše difeng tše ile goreng o di amogetše?
Diphetogo tse eleng gore ke di amogetse is that how le ko mminong, especially in the group, wa itse gore o tla dependa mo abuting wa gago, mo Theo, mo Junior, ke etsa example le mo Lebo. So how etsa di project tse eleng gore di lebisane ko wena fela, it's like a very different change, like ke responsibility ya gago. O ke selele ko Lebo ore ke kopa unkave ore ke tlo dependa ko energy ya motho o mong. It's solely depending on you. But na I'm grateful ka foundation ya ka gore ke startile ka music because into dile discipline into dile gore you know what, even though it's fun and it entertains people, but those people le bona ba patetse gore ba tlo go bona, so it takes a lot of discipline and it takes a lot of respect. So when I moved to my own solo project, be it music and acting, which is the TV side of things, already nesetse ke na le training nyana ya gore oh, this is how the industry works. Even though there were struggles, especially music, because when it comes to music, utlamele ube responsible for the outfit, ube responsible for the dancers, the choreography, remember those days, the choreography, the outfits, all those things. So it was solely me. Nana another person. But again, those things, when they happen, they train you for other things to come in future, be it the acting side of things. Acting, it doesn't just for you to go in front of the camera and act. Gona le script se leng gore you have to prepare months before, weeks before. So entertainment is all about discipline, o respect the nako, o respect the batho ba bang, o respect the craft ya how. You're not different from somebody o sebetsang ko shopong a rekisa di vegetables or a rekisa di grocery. La tshwana. It's just that your job is it's in front of the camera. It's not on the table. So it's just a matter of respecting it.
Motho jule wa botšiša gore wa tsa keng o ka re tema ga o e kgathile man se leng o ba ka gare go tša mmino le ka gare go tša televišene jwale go ya ka wena ke karolo ye feng ye le goreng a se ke o e bapale ye o ratang gore o ka tloga o rata o ka e fitlhelela se leng o ba ka gare ga industry ye ya tša boithabišo
Na wish ya ka ke gore ke be behind the scenes ke kgone go ngwala ke kgone go producer ke kgone go bona ntho e leng gore di producers tse ding they creator by ngwala from the scratch until the end and refer other young people opportunities gore le bona ba feel the feel of the industry. So being behind the scenes, yes, I have done it, but I haven't done it to my satisfaction. Mo ke nagana gore you know what, if it hile itile because I have been in front of the camera for so long. But you know, behind the scenes I see lutse gore dia bonagala ko social media, dia bonagala is things telling gore wa di prepare and nobody knows about them, but once they are done and they are strong, you can just slowly introduce them to the industry. So being behind the scenes is one of my goals telling gore ke batla go dira.
Sana se re sana le ena Thembi Siete ka mono studio ke nya ka mpotse mo a re tsene tabeng ya gago o bo bolela ka taba ya go ya solo ke eng ntwe go dirileng gore o re ke nyaka go dira ke tee jwale gantši e re ko botse gantši ka gare ga di group ke ga motho ena e potsa gore yena
Don't touch.
o kwisisa ke ga nako a ikwa gore ya yona gona wa tseba keng ke le shamola
Lethabo, that's a very good question. What's ompotsang yona important yang? From a very early age ke lemogile gore o ke se kgone go depend on other people. Because Lethabo invite ile mo studio, if ke decide gore ga ke tle, you're going to have to make another plan. And find another guest. Do you get what I'm saying? Because the show must go on. The show must go on. So how in the situation of a group, you do get through, I mean, you come across those kind of challenges. Maybe motomong wane ga feel gore o tlo fitla for performance. Or motomong wane o fitla o feel ekare ga ready to get in the studio and do another song. O tlo fitlhela o rapetse batho gore a re berekeng a gona dijo ko ntlong a re berekeng a gona madi a gona tšhelete ya transport a gona nix. So I felt gore you know what, it's time ya gore we ikemele because dilo tse tsa gore one ga feel gore a ke batle go tsoga a ke batle go bereka or ke batla go ikeletsa ntho ya, it's very stressful because you will end up being a beggar. And when you are it goes straight to the young girls that want an easy life. It's important to be independent because if you're not independent, you're going to live at somebody else's mercy. Doesn't make sense. And begging also introducing you, it will introduce you to things and you're gonna do what? You're going to compromise yourself because you will not think we support and not depend on other people.
A re bolela ka yona ya baninyana ka lebaka la gore gantši re bolela ka batho ba ile gore ba lebelela lena jwale ka di role model ge re bolela ba le lebelela Thembi ba nagana gore Thembi Siete ga kgona go apara diaparo tša di apereng mohlomongwe skipa sa gago ke 20,000 le yena nako o na le mengwaga ye lesomesenyane wena o šetše lo mogolo o nagana gore le yena o swanela go apare ka mogolo.
Absolutely.
O nagana o ka re tlo ba ra gona jwang temana ya gore kgone o ruta bana ba rena ba baninyana a gore a ya swanela go ba jwale mana kwa gago e sa etla o ska tshwanela go nyoko phadishana le motho ile gore yena wa ishomela ka lebaka la gore ke tsona tše ile gore di dira gore ba thome go ba ka gare ga dilo tše dintši tše ile gore di ka ba fa ditšhelete o thoma go ratana le batho ba ba mo fetang ka lebaka la tšhelete ya gore o nyoko ba le beke ya e boneng wena o itswere re gala jwang mediro e mejwale ka lebaka la gore social media e dia o ka re go lokile go dia ka mogolo.
You know, Letabo, it's so unfortunate gore di topic tse yana ga di trendy enough, ga di hip enough, you know. And are re being grateful gore na le di platform tse tshwanang le di radio, re na le di platform tse tshwanang le print, di platform tse tshwanang le, you remember we did the tea party while Govenda. It was such a beautiful event where women came together, whether young or old or very old, and we're touching on these subjects. But I don't know why social media is the most powerful tool, because how we press a phone, information is thing. But people just swap up because Tembi we kira mewaka, we kira my auntie, we kira my grandmother, you know. But honestly, how are you going to face life if you didn't go through all these stages, tsa go ikirela, tsa go practice, tsa go try, and tsa go ithuta, you know? So I think more reka press this information and the advice ke di platform tse tshwanang le di radio, print, and if o ka khona social media, and o ileng gore wa mamela and take advice and just push that advice and learn and teach other people.
Why are you going to go find you?
Yeah.
Modimo gona ke a bona molaetsa o tsweletse go tswa go kgoshigadi ra phatlelo ba ba reng Thobela botsisha mpuntsunono ge ba re puntsunono ba ra nna sweethearts ne Thembingano ka re wa jealous
No, ke jealous love.
ba re puntsunono ba ra
ga ke ba blame love, ga ke ba blame.
ba re botsishwe re botsishitseng ya ebe go botsisha ka baswa ba ile goreng ba palela go dira dilo go ba dire ba lebeletse gore lena le leng ba bagolo la idira e botlhokwa kudu ka lebaka la gore bana ba rena ba wela ka gare ga mathata beno re a leboga gore ba theleditse le gore ba gona go latlhela ba boledišane le rena ba lebeletse seponono sa bona nke nna le wena re tsene re bolele ka taba ya gago ya go ngwala goba ya ka mokgwa o le ngwadileng dikoša ke nyaka koša ye ya Thobela nna le wena ile ra bolela ka koša ya Thobela ge e be le ngwala koša ya Thobela go diegileng Thobela
I know gore Lethabo wa se rata story se, but I always say gore Polokwane Limpopo e santsane e le a second home ya Bomshaka. Gabolebo e ne le ko Tzaneen, santsane le ko Tzaneen, so Lebo originally Mathosa o tswa ko Tzaneen, and ga Siete ko Zebediele
ke gae
and ga se Siete ke Sete.
Oh, ke
Thembi Sete.
Nka bo sa ba botse batho ba ka moka wa re
ga o fitla Joburg ke batla re Siet. And then wa batlogela gore okay, let's roll with it, it's fine. Ke Sete ke Zebediele. And but that wasn't the reason gore re kry support le lerato ko Polokwane e ne le pleke leng gore le rona ne re rata. We just loved traveling and then re bine and ra kry support ko Thobela FM especially. But ga re fitla fela ne re utlwa man batho ba re dumedisa ba re Thobela, and then obviously Thobela le yona radio station it's a bigger station ko Polokwane le gona enong e mo Joburg, in fact everywhere, you know. And ra utlwa gore no man, so we had this thing ya gore re created dipina nje re le mo tseleng, you know. Like you were asking me how Leona, it's about time if it re created it's about time and really on our way to the show. Na resna pina that time. We didn't have anything. Nere imitatable SWV, Libo JD, a lot of artists, Libo Brenda Fassi. Then we decided, no man, let's create our own song. So on our way to the performances, that's when we created It's About Time. Le Thobela fela yalo. So ha re fitla fela ko stationing sa Thobela FM ko Polokwane, but na ba re gore ba gwera Thobela. And then that's what motivated the song gore re create pina ya gore Thobela, because there's no way gore o tlo bookiwa ko Polokwane every single weekend mara ga ona pina for batho ba ko Limpopo.
Jojo e be ile ya rena ko
so inele ya lona, so we had to create a special song for batho ba ko Limpopo because of the love, the support, and gona le pleke ba ibitsa Dakota.
Yeah.
Ko Limpopo.
Tembi kwa wa kgale.
I know.
Ke a bona gore batho ba re wena o botsebotse o lekana le ba thabile
Wa bona, I've been around. Gona le pleke a ke itse
Yeah.
gore na santsane le le teng. Dakota, that's one
Ke
place the
gopola
way
gabotse.
we made
Yeah.
most sales when it comes to albums. We were the highest,
Yeah.
the biggest. The sales were honestly from Limpopo region. Ya Bomshaka. And then we created Tobela. And then
lebaka la
it was
Thobela ya rena. Yeah.
mad. I mean, Tobela is not only for Limpopo people. We're just from Namibia. You go to Botswana, you go to Lesotho, people relate
Oh,
to
ka re Thobela ba go kwa.
Ba re Thobela. It's got that humility. That word has got that love, so much love and humility in it that it doesn't matter what nation you are, you will relate and you feel welcome when you say Thobela.
Mogwera man.
Mogwera man.
Go bile le nako e le goreng ge be ba dia taba ya Lebo le re keng documentary se gopotso se sengwe ka bophelo ba Lebo e be re nagana gore tla o bona ba o gopetse nka o soye ka lebaka la gore le wena o mo diragaje
Bang gopetse and ne re le processing ya go bua re buile ka story bothata bo fitlhile mo e leng gore go bile le di-events leng gore they were included in the story that didn't necessarily happen and
re botsa diphiri
yeah
le
no
makunutu.
but I also felt like le angle e leng gore e tseiwe go tell Lebo story it was just one-sided and then I felt gore Lebo had so much to give there was so much to Lebo than all those things tse leng gore re batla go di lebella go TV you know she was the most giving person the most loving person and extremely talented
Yeah.
and in le motho o leng gore o tlo go thusa if you don't have anything Lebo a nkebe go ya ka ena na tlo adopta bana kaofela a ba ise go ga gage a ba fe dijo a ba dulise basically Lebo na adopta everybody ba dula go ga gage why didn't we show why don't we talk about those amazing positive things tse leng gore di bolela Lebo le karolo e leng gore we phethile mo setšhabeng the impact and the influence and the love and the selflessness tse leng gore o re rutile nna I'm the way I am today be it the way I carry myself on stage my dress sense my confidence is because I was close to that woman why don't we talk about those things and only focus on the negatives and that made me uncomfortable and I decided there's so much to that woman than what we're going to be witnessing on TV.
o nagana gore ke eng sa botlhokwa se ile goreng go tsamaya ga Lebo ka pela gore timile sona ka Lebo rena nna ke tla shetša sepedi
Yeah.
ge be ke tla batho ba bantšhi ba ile gore ba gotse le gane jwa go ka ya TikTok wa bona bophelo ba Lebo
Yeah.
o ka re o phetse mengwe o ka re o phela
O santsane a le
le
teng.
bophelo ba gagwe
Yeah.
bo relate le gone
Lethabo,
jwale. Ke eng se
that's
ile
a
gore-
very good question because I used to stress a lot ka Lebo. Ke vila gore wa matha. What is go matha ka sepedi?
Wa kitima.
Wa kitima. Like o jagetse o kore o mathetse ho fetsa o mathile like o batla go tsa dilo tse
Ka
di
pela ka
ngata
nako e
ka pela and that used to make us fight a lot you know because nna ke tswa ko backgrounding e leng gore e na le mama e na le kgalemo e na le discipline e na le eng and yena o mo Joburg family ya gagwe e ko Polokwane engwe e ko Davidton so o na sena kgalemo e ngata le support e ngata so we had to take her in nna le mama and we used to fight a lot about her decisions to an extent that it used to affect me and mama are nana motho o mong le o mong o na le race ya gagwe you running your race she's running her race modimo o na le go na le a reason why a batla go etsa dilo in such a short space of time and do not stop her because when you stop her ga ino fetsa race ya hae she needs to finish her circle she needs to finish and I didn't understand then I was too young to even understand what she was saying but now because ke motonna mama could see gore this child she had a lot of things that she needed to do before atsamaya and then later I realized gore actually that's why we're still singing to her songs
Yeah.
that's why we're still talking about her that's why her presence are still felt and her spirit is still alive and kicking you know because she needed to plant all those seeds so that Hatsamai I see something
nako le nako ge ko kwa bolela ka Lebo o ka ra a ke tsebe le gore ke bee jwang o ra gore go na le gore o fodile
yo Lethabo
a gona nako ile ka go kwa o bolela ka Lebo ka setonye nako le nako go bolela ka Lebo go na le sefatlhego sa gago se ba ka mogo mongwe matlho a gago a change-a wa ke pona le ganyo bona o nyokolla ke ipotsiša gore e gona ntho ba reng ke pholo ke a tseba gore o ralokile
I know.
yeah o ralokile karolo ye kgolo kudu bophelong ba gago yeah
she did and also a gona gore o ka lebala because the music that she left us with ke mpho she gave us a gift you know sure and she's allowing this thing to go you know anke ba ratile nke ba itse I created this music for you guys therefore ke tlo kwala menyako ke tlo tisa gore go ska gaira laga you know so even when it's the three of us on stage people still see her they feel her you know they hear her voice her music you know so there is no way la ileng gore o no se close le yena and you saying gane ke fitla mo industry Thembi na setse aile but you still feel her it's as if wa moitsi it's as if onona le yena you spend time with her you had conversations that's how powerful that girl was and I felt like that story was lacking the power and the true representative of who she was really was she was more than what we were introduced to.
O boletse ka taba gore ka pelanyana ka gore ke nyaka gore lo ka papatša o boletse ka taba gore o bile le nako e le goreng o nyaka go ba producer o nyaka go ba ka re ka dibino o nagana o ka re o ka ba tsoga o dirile Boomshaka ye re ka e bona ke gopela ro
yes
o tlo e dira
yeah ke tlo e dira the story has to be told and even if it's not Boomshaka story it can be a story that tells what really happens. Who is this person? And I'm sure Libatho ba Kopolokwane is like, hey, alright. Ke se name ya ko Zebediele wa bona ba itseba.
O la mafelo ya ga ekene.
Go na le story se telenyana around the Senemi ya City. So City is my stepdad. Ke nang godisitseng ke na supportileng my music career so my mom was married after my dad so my mother was married twice but nna lebitso laka ke Thembisile Mnisi ke Moswati but I took up my stepdad's surname because everyone kontlong in le City I was the one with it and then I decided se ke godile na I can change my name I don't want to be like different from my mother so everything in ke yetsa ne ke latela mama and that's how the surname City
ngwana mathomo
ke ngwana mathomo
ile wa ba le kamano le papa ga go nnete
very very much so but obviously dilo khadisa loke especially when we're younger now our mothers would like want us to choose them when we're younger but now things are different we encourage our kids to be closer to their father's side and their mother's side and to understand who they are and they choose it gore bona ba batla le side le lefe if they want both great if not but before our mothers will encourage us to support them more than
what's what re bolelang gantši banna ba bolela taba gore ba palela ko ba le dikamano le bana ba bona
because of our parents choices and that was the case but my relationship with my biological dad was amazing my dad never missed my birthday there's a time where andrekela cake setse ke le mogolo enough ka dikuku ya nong ga ke I'm done I'm not a kid anymore and I remember the last gift that he gave me was a green towel and the fruits from Mpumalanga so everything was green and the following weekend ya thing a tlhokafala and I just thought the meaning behind that gift was really because fruits
and what's about the color
green
mala o motala
ke tswelopele ke growth ke everything ke gola Thembi gola and I'm that deep person sometimes I think or I overthink I'm Aries so I'm sure you can relate to that and for me that gift meant a lot but the relationship yaka le ntate wa ka my biological father Mnisi was very strong even my stepdad said very very strong
ge re ruma le wena gane bjale Thembi ke eng e le goreng Afrika Borwa a e tsebe ka wena ye le goreng nako ngo o bona o kare wa tsa o kare le ka emisha dilo ka moka ka dilo botsa gore botse ge ke re Thembi Siete ke bolela ka mang
ga o re Thembi Siete
ka lebaka la gore e re go bone o actor a ona ye le gore o rile go e actor ra bona o ka re wa tlhaelela o rile go tsena go yela e be ke ena le wena ka yona ka tshoga ka re
are we in?
But
why are you getting surprised? Because oyalo le wena.
A ke tse motho a ke a ipona.
Yeah.
O bona batho ba bangwe ba dira
just like,
bothata.
yeah.
A yela yona o mpeile fase.
But let's have
a ka efeng ke
okay ele ya ko channeling
o ka ibolela
adulting
we ile kwa adulting le fa se ka moka la ema ka mo
Yeah.
e seng nna
Yeah.
nna be ke motho ntse ke na le yena ntse sa tsebe gore o dira so
because when you're in this craft you don't want to be boxed. You need to show your range. It's like singing as well, being a performer. You don't want to be in one place. If you are a hip-hopper, you want to try singing. If you're a singer, you want to gospel. And that's what we call art. Because arting, when you do art, it's different colors. It's purple, yellow. Art is like that. Even with acting. You can't be only known only Mother Teresa only. You know, I can't be Mother Teresa and be typecast and playing the same role all the time. Elongor is safe. But being a performer and being a true artist, you need to stretch yourself and see how far can I go. And I felt like I can't go there. I can go anywhere. I can go anywhere.
And I
can go and that's the beauty about acting because it introduces you to different things. And it's so nice to be playing a doctor and then you play like Muruti and umme wantogozo, you know, and uhezeli and you know it's like it's different shades of your career and it's just like okay muto ga box re ka mo kenyamo so na career ya ka when it comes to art ke dilo tse neng gore gantse ke ya ntse ke ithuta tsona a ke relax ke re I'm boom shaka things will just fall on my lap. No, you have to be willing to learn and push yourself.
Aka metsotso 30 seconds ke eng e le gore re tshwanela go itseba go ba yo go itlosha menaganong ya rena ga go itla go Thembi Siete e seng ya wa actor wa mmino eng ka wena?
There's really nothing much. Now I'm just a simple girl, yes. Ke rutilwe sharp, ke rata modimo too much. Nke sebe mo ke leng teng because ne ke le ke lucky, and I don't think gore le talent ke ntho e leng gore modimo o onkukile, you know, because along the way ne ke sa itse my capabilities gore ke strong ko kae. But the way ke gorisitsweng ka teng thapelo, humility, ke tsebe gore it's not my doing. There's a higher force that is carrying me. I always say I'm God's favorite child. I am a God's favorite child because this industry is tough. Okay, see, survive industry osna mo elong gore o itshwarela ko teng. Yes. And it's through prayer. That's how I'm making it. Agona magic.
Ke modimo.
It's prayer.
Thembi Siete na kwa rena o sa re kolota o sa tlo boa na kwa rena isepeje e upia rata gore wena re matlhatse le matlhogono le go dilo ka moka tse ile gore ngwa di tshwara wa di dira tse di le monaganong wa gago le tse di le mpelong ya gago le dikele di tšeo di llang re sa di tsebe modimo a di kwe ka moka ditshogofatso tša go fang tsona a di fetelele go bana ba gago le bana ba gore motho mongwe le mongwe o fitlhang go yena nke a blessege a kwe gore tshogofatso ya morena ke eng ga lebelela wena ebile a fitlhelela wena re leboga kudu go fitlhile ka moka
Lethabo, just for my supporters, ke kopa le supporting Mapule Collection. It's my clothing line. It's my clothing line. A lot of people are baitse gore ke godisitswe ka lesela. You know, my mom was a credible dress designer. Thank you for those words, by the way. My mom was a dress designer and diaparo di risitse skolong, diaparo di beile a plate mo tafoleng. And then I decided, you know what, let me just lift my mother's legacy. I've created Mapule Collection. Mapule, it's my second name from my mother's name, my mother's site. Yeah. So Mapule ke matlhogonolo ke pula. I remember when I was born, my grandmother said, Mapule. And that's when the Mapule Collection came. Beautiful clothes, beautiful garments. Please support my business.
Re a leboga Mapule. le